Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view archive list on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device, then tap on three lines icon. Next, you can see the option of archive. Tap on it. So, this is how you can view archive list on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.